Promote CPA offers on Reddit. Earn $200 per day with CPA marketing. Whether you are using the CPALead, CPAGrip, or OfferVault or Max Bounty, it depends on you. Any network it is available in your country and you are interested, you are good to go with that. So hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want Me Review to channel actually. And this video I'm going to share with you the CPA offers that you can simply promote and you can make a big amount of money from that for absolutely free. In this method we are going to use a new trick, a new strategy with CPA marketing and with Reddit traffic source actually. So I will show you that how you can do that step by step. What I want from you to watch the video to the very end, to do not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly this is working. Whether you're using the CPALead or CPAGrip.com, it depends on you, or OfferVault, you can simply use and choose the product and you're good to go with that. So let's not further waste the time and just jump straight into the strategy that how we can make money from that. The first and important thing is that just hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So let's begin the strategy. The first and important thing is that to sign up with CPAGrip or CPALead. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account right here. I just signed into my CPA link, CPAGrip.com link right here. As you can see here, this is a CPAGrip.com. I just signing into that. So make sure that you sort it by the United States. You choose the category, all category, and here you choose the mobile option right here. Once you choose that, then you can simply see here available offers right here, which is coming for the United States only, and they are on mobile topic right here. So we can simply choose any product we want. For example, like watch Disney now, get $1,000 to spend at Target. For example, get $1,000 Mastercard gift card to spend right here. And we have also another offer like start playing the best skill based game. So we can simply click on that. Once we click on that, we will have the country, we will have the money, we will have what they want from us, for example, and we will have our special affiliate link that we can simply copy and we are good to go. Copy the link and shorten with bit.ly or tiny URL. Then next step will be that you can simply just go to the free topic. As I promise you that I will show you step by step that how you can make money with Reddit and CPA offers. So then we can simply go to this reddit.com. Once we go to the reddit.com, if you just think about that how much traffic is coming to Reddit actually, you can simply see here that's 1.7 billion traffic or monthly visitors is coming to this website. 1.7 billion people are coming each month to this website. And then you can simply see here that a lot of traffic, like 47% of members are from the United States, then 7% United Kingdom, 7% Canada, and 4% Australia, and 3% Germany, which are all the greatest country, and we do want to promote our offers in front of them right here. So once you just come to the Reddit, then you can simply search in the search bar like game. You can hit the enter button, and then you can simply see here three options: post, community, and people. Just click on the communities and you will see here the subreddit or all the communities or the groups right here on the reddit.com. So I can simply just choose this one, this group right here, which is almost a 900,000 people inside. I can simply click on that. Once I click on that, then I will visit this page right here, and they will simply show me that these people are online, and these are the total numbers of members inside in these groups right here. So I can simply click on the join button right here to join this network or this group. Then I can simply just click on the create post right here. Once I click on the create post right here, then I can simply just write something. For example, I can simply type for people, for example, free offer for everyone. I can simply type as a title, and then in the description or in the body I can simply just tap something else right here. For example, I can just motivate people for that to have it For example, I can simply say, for example, let me just make it correct a little bit. Okay, I can simply just type, for example, who else want to start playing the best skill-based game for absolutely free? Right here, anyone interested, comment below. So make sure that you do not put your direct link right here. So make sure that you just simply post whenever people comment, and then you can simply send people your link right here. So that is the main strategy, because if you just post your direct link right here, so this account or this community will bend you and you will not be able to send your post right here to this community. If you just post right here, then you will be available to many people right here, and many people will be interested with your offers right here, because many people that they simply post their content, they are getting more than 300 400 upworks, means people are interested with that. So the more posts you have created, the more money you can have and more interact and engagements you will have, and many people will comment and many people will reply to your post that we do want a free gaming offer, for example. So whenever you send that, so they will be redirected to this link right here, this page right here, and they will just submit their email. Whenever they submit the email, we are earning 2.57 cents right here for absolutely free. So this is the major method that I was about to share with you in today's video, and you will definitely like that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation, and don't forget to hit the like button for more brilliant videos and contents like this. For future updates, turn on the bell notification, and to all, you will get any single strategy that we upload. You will be notified of that, and you will use before that everyone make a decent amount of money from that. If you want to make more money online, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be redirected to this software actually, which is an app that you can get 150 plus leads and buyers for absolutely free to your link right here. And you don't need to have any special skill, you don't need to have social media audience, you don't need to build a website or something like that. So it is absolutely skill-free and risk-free method in software that you can earn money from that right here. A lot of people are making a lot of money, so you can be the next one to make a decent amount of money from that. So check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be redirected to this page right here whenever you are interested with that. So then you are good to go with that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.